Case statement. In this video, we will learn how to use case statement. Case statement. The case statement goes through conditions and returns the value when the first condition is met. So, once a condition is true, it will stop reading and return the result. If no conditions are true, it returns the value in the else clause. If there is no else part and no conditions are true, it returns null. So basically, case statement works like if then else statement. Alright, now let's check the syntax of case statement. So here we have syntax of case statement: case, then when, then condition 1, then result 1, when condition 2, then result 2. So inside the case we can write n number of when and then. Alright, and after the when and then we will write else, result, and then end of case. So if no condition is matched over here, it will go in else part. Now let's see how the case statement works in SQL Server. So first let's open the query editor, select the database, and inside this, so here we have this table person dot person phone. So first let's check the data of this table. So select star from person dot person phone, select this and execute this. So here we have all these records. Now I want to apply case on this phone number type ID. So let's work with this phone number type ID. So how to do that? Select phone number type ID, comma, phone number, alright, from person dot person phone. Now we will write case in between these two lines. Alright, now here after comma case, we will apply case on this phone number type ID. Alright, when 1, then it will print mobile. Alright, when 2, then it will type home. When 3, then work. Alright, and if they have apart from 1, 2, 3, so in that case it will type other. Alright, and then and as phone number type. Alright, so my query is select phone number type ID, then phone number. Now we are applying cases on this phone number type ID. If it will find 1 in phone number type ID, it will print mobile. If it is 2, then home. If it is 3, then work. And apart from 1, 2, 3, it will print other. And it will create a new column with the name of phone number type. Alright, and we are fetching it from person dot person phone. Now select this and execute this. So here you can see wherever is 3, it print work, wherever is 2, it print home, wherever is 1, it print mobile. Alright, so this is how your case statements works. Now we can apply conditions in case statement as well. So how to do that? Here we have one table production.product, and inside this we have one column list price. So first check what value we have in this list price. So select list price from production dot product. All right, now select this and execute this. All right, so here we have these values. So I want to give one condition that if list price has value this 0, then it will print this price is not on sale, or you can write sold out, right? So how to do that? So for that, here we will create query, select, I'll use one more column, and here I'll use product ID as well, product ID comma list price. All right, from production dot product. Now in between this we will write a case. So after comma, product status equal to case. All right, so here when list price equal to 0.00, then it will print sold out. Okay, else available. All right, and then end. Fine. So my query is select, then product ID, then list price, then it will create a new column, product status. So here I write the case when list price equal to 0.00, then sold out, else it will print available, and then end, and from production dot product. Now select this query and execute this. So here you can see for all the 0.0 it printed sold out, and if we scroll down, so here you can see where is the list price is available, it print the status product status available. So like this you can use cases. So what we had learned in this tutorial, we had learned what is case statement and how to use case with select statement. Thank you.